In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view account access history logs in Shopify. First, open your Shopify admin in your web browser and sign in to the store you want to review. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to view security and activity details. This will ensure you can access the area we're heading to next without any roadblocks. Once you're in the admin, look toward the bottom left corner and click Settings. This is your control center for everything related to your store's configuration, billing, and security. We'll use it to quickly jump to the area that tracks who did what and when. Inside Settings, use the search field at the top and type the word Activity. This helps highlight the exact section we need without digging through multiple menus. It's a quick way to narrow the options, especially if your Settings menu is packed with items. From the search results, click Activity. This takes you to the security area that focuses on log details. Think of this as your audit trail, perfect for confirming changes, reviewing sign-ins, or investigating anything unusual on your store. Next, select User Activity Logs. The page will load a list of entries showing actions taken by staff or collaborators. You'll typically see the date and time of each event, the user who performed it, the action type, and often additional context like the affected resource or IP address. Use the built-in filters to narrow by date, user, or activity type so you can zero in on exactly what you're looking for. If you manage a busy store, filtering by a recent time window is a great way to separate the signal from the noise. If your organization has more than one store, you may see an option to select the specific store you want to review. Click your store to scope the log to that environment. This keeps your view focused and avoids mixing entries from other stores you manage. As you review the logs, pay attention to the timestamps and usernames to verify that changes align with your team's expected activity. If something looks out of place, like an unexpected login location or a critical change you didn't authorize, treat it as a cue to tighten access, review staff permissions, and confirm multi-factor authentication is enabled for your team. And that's it. You've navigated from the Shopify admin to Settings, used the search to highlight the right area, opened the Activity section, and landed on the User Activity Logs, with the option to focus on your specific store if needed. This simple workflow gives you a clear, reliable record of account access and actions, helping you maintain a secure,